Baby, do you see that one?
Right there. Here's the noisy one.
Baby, shh. I'm trying to film him.
He's got big nuts. Look, there's another one.
They black and tan too.
Yeah.
Do we suppose that's what Howlers we saw this morning that we fell inside of?
I don't know. They weren't doing it.
No, they weren't. They were screaming.
Yeah, the howlers always make these grunt noises.
See the other one up there? To the left. Higher. You see the other one up there, babe?
I'm filming the one climbing to the top.
And then there's one. Oh,
Okay,
shit, there's
where's the other one?
All right, so straight over to the left from that one. See him?
Oh my goodness. And there's a
And then straight up above him.
look, oh, look at him, look at
That's a
him.
little tiny baby. Look at that.
Where's the
Teeny
baby?
little baby. And the same branch just above that one that just crossed.
Oh,
They got a little teeny tiny baby. Right
where's the
there,
baby?
hanging onto that branch. She's got.
Is the
She
baby
has
small
two
now?
babies.
Who has two babies?
See the one on the branch? Look straight above him.
Yeah, that's sitting there.
She has two babies.
On her. I
On
see
her.
One baby
She has
looking
two.
down at us.
She has two babies.
One baby's looking at us.
Yep. The other one's climbing on her too. One's on one side.
How do y'all see babies? I don't see them babies.
Can't see it right now.
The baby's face was
And that's a toucan in the tree making noise too.
Yep.
I'm so glad they came to see us.
I know.
Where's the fucking toucan? No, it's monkey poop.
My goodness. Oh, come on, toucan. Oh, I can see the toucan, Mom.